Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Reels. Reels is a new way to create 15-second multi-clip videos with audio, effects and other creative tools. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or press on your story in the top left corner of the screen. Once the camera window opens, find the Reels option at the bottom and click on it. Now tap the audio icon on the left and find music for your video. After that, by pressing on one X, select the speed of your video. Like with Instagram stories, you can use effects by hitting the smiley icon. You may choose any previously saved effect or find the one in the effects gallery. If you hit the stopwatch icon, you will be able to select the length of the video you want to record. In order to use a countdown before recording starts, press on the Set Timer button. When you are ready to record a video, simply tap the button. Keep in mind that similarly like on TikTok, you can start and stop recording multiple times during the video by clicking on the button. After that, hit the arrow button. Once you are happy with the video, you can edit it by inserting stickers, drawing or writing something. Hit the arrow button one more time. Now you can change the cover image of your video and write a caption. The only thing left to do is to post your video by tapping the share button. However, you need to decide whether you want to share it only on the Explore page or also in your profile grid. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.